Hi guys, today let's discuss this Boost, OKX Boost under the DEX platform of OKX Wallet. And again, this video is a global discussion. If you want to update the current subtitle, you can just click the closed captions and then go to settings and select your preferred language guys. No? So ito nga si OKX Boost, isa sa mga on-chain asset discovery platform ito. Sabi nga dito, offers users early access to premium on-chain opportunities. Isa sa mga na-observe ko dito is like yung iba na potential token, hindi pa nalilist sa mga centralized exchange, pero available na dito guys. No? So, discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. No? So dito merong ranking as per checking, merong available na I think 32. So may mga tokens dito na hindi pa available sa centralized exchange pero sa OKX Boost is available na no. Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference. It does not qualify as an investment or financial advice guys no. Hopefully, you can get some insights lang dito. Hindi pa ako financial advisor and I just want to share my experience lang dito guys, no? So, ngayon ay makikita natin, if I'm not mistaken, itong Paibobo, wala pa ito sa DEX eh. We can check as well yung kanyang chart. As we can see, isa ito sa mga early tokens pa lang. Kaya drastic yung mga galaw niya dito. Like the price action is going up drastically, going down. So like for example, this one nagkaroon siya ng, let's check for hours time frame. Good thing lang dito, meron siyang chart no. So as of now, ito yung pinaka price niya. You can add indicators na. So like for example, we can add moving average or EMA. Ayan. And you can set up no. So meron tayong 50 and then 9. So like for example, edit natin to 20 and then okay. So yan, we can add indicators dito as for validations. So ito, we can like add some, we can also identify ng pinaka-support no. So isa ito sa mga example lang guys, like itong si Paibobo, wala pa ito sa major exchanges like centralized exchange no. So pero available siya dito sa my market and then OKX Boost. So ganyan pala siya puntahan under the market tab and then the OKX Boost no. Ito I think nasa DEX na ito, JCT for example. Yan, makikita naman natin siya kung saang network no. Like for example, this one is sa Solana. Meron ding bot, MLC, Litki. So, check natin itong si Letki. So, yung chart niya. Ayan. Isa din sa mga factors pala dito na may mga gantong scenario after the listing. No? Ay risky yung mga ganyan. If ever man na meron dito nakapag-setup tapos naka-hold pa rin, ilang percent yan? Like negative 79, no? So, that's the risk dito, guys. If ever man na magkaroon ito ng like consolidation, after decline kasi is consolidation next phase ng price action, no? As per checking dito, nagko-consolidate siya within this zone, itong area na ito. Ang daming mga wicks sa downside. Pero this one is on the spot DEX, yung kanyang nature. Yan yung isa sa mga na-observe natin dito. We can check yung market cap niya as of now. 1.26M current market cap. So, we can observe ng mga opportunity but we need always to consider as well yung risk. No? The price action, good thing lang nasa console natin na check ito and nearly accumulates lang yung price action dyan. No? So, in my own opinion naman, if I believe dun sa isang project na yon na it will benefit yung community in the future, ay isa sa mga factors din yun guys, isa din sa mga criteria ko na pwede kong i-consider for like a long-term hold guys, no? So like for example, other crypto na merong magandang use cases for the community. May risk pa pala ito, may isang risk. Can issue additional tokens. So hindi siya honeypot pero can issue additional tokens, no? Ayan. So please be careful na lang. Good thing lang dito guys, sa platform na ito, like Market OKX Boost, ay makikita natin yung mga risk, no? Ito normal lang, si CoAI. Ayan. And meron lang siya ditong security review. Let's get back. Check natin other OKX Boost. So like for example, si itong lab. So meron ding risk, no? Ayan, makikita natin. Cancel distract, no? Pwedeng baguhin or destroy the contract. Disable all tokens functions and erase all related assets. So, good thing dito guys, we can check yung pinaka-risk, no? So, you can explore this one guys. I've been checking as well yung Paibobo dahil as of now, yung market cap niya is nasa 65.67. Itong order naman, nasa major exchange na ata ito. So yun guys, hopefully nagkaroon kayo dito ng ideas, insights. Sa video natin today, sa mga nagtatanong kung saan makikita yung market cap, you can just sort naman yan dito. Yung holders, liquidity, transactions, volume, inflow, yung risk criteria niya dito, makikita mo naman. Ayan, risk holdings. So yun guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.